Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So today's on this video, I'm going to show you the realistic cute autumn girl child outfit tutorial and coats for Berry Avenue. If you want to dress your avatar in the most adorable, realistic and trendy outfit for the season, this is the ultimate guide for a cute autumn girl child outfit tutorial and coats in Berry Avenue. So I'm going to share all the secrets to getting this perfectly cozy picture perfect fall look. Now let's just get started. So first you can just head to avatar menu and click on the body in here, this one, and search for woman body set. And for this one, I'm going to only use the torso and arms. So let's use this one. Just the arms and torso like this. And now search for Skylar. Still on the body, and use only the legs. Like this. Next, click on the face and here search for the super happy face. Okay, this one in here. Now let's start with the outfit. So go to clothing in here and click on the shirt. On a classic shirt, you can use this code. So here is the top that I'm going to use. The code is Gingham Stockholm Red. So put it on. And next, click on the pants. On classic pants, you can use cute brandy mobile. Okay, this pants in here. Now let's do the hair combos of here. The first hair that I'm going to use is the natural blonde Linda pullback. Okay, this one in here. And the second hair is the long fabulous diva cute curls in blonde. Okay, so you can just choose. Let's try this one in here. Okay, I'm going to use this one. And the next one is the honey blonde twisty charm hair. Okay, this one in here. Now I'm going to also add accessory on the hair, so you can just click on the menu clothing and click on all category and search for this little hair clip in white, this one in here. And I'm going to also use bangs, so I'm going to use the peachy curly princess bangs in blonde. I'm going to use this one for the bangs, or let's try another one because the eyes is covered. Okay, I'm going to use this one in here. And now you can also add accessories. So I'm going to add initial necklace in here. just choose one. I'm going to use this one, and I'm going to also add lashes here. You can just choose which one that you like. I'm going to use this one in here. And now you can go to the jackets in here. I'm going to find a white fast. Then just choose the one that you like. Let's try this one. And next you can also put on the shoe. So let's go to the pants options in here and search for the UGG shoe. So now this is how it will look like. You can always add some more accessory like bracelet or change the nail, but this is the look. So this is the look for the fall or autumn outfits in Berry Avenue. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.